The clock starts now. You have 15 minutes of reading time for your VCE English exam, and what you do next will decide everything. This isn't waiting time, it's planning time, your most powerful weapon. First, take 5 solid minutes to dissect the prompt. Don't just read it, understand exactly what it's asking. Identify the key directive words: analyze, compare, discuss. Then, for the next 3 minutes, choose your approach. Decide on the core argument, your thesis, that answers the question directly. The final 7 minutes are for your blueprint. Sketch out your structure. What's the focus of each paragraph? What key evidence will you use from both texts? This isn't just a vague idea, it's your roadmap through the chaos. When you start writing, the clock is your ally, not your enemy. You'll dedicate the bulk of your time, about 90 minutes, to your 3 integrated body paragraphs. Each one must weave together both texts, supported by evidence and sharp analysis. Then a quick 10 minutes for your conclusion. Restate your thesis, synthesize your key insights, and get out. No new arguments. Finally, a crucial 10-minute revision. Hunt for obvious errors. Check your balance. Here's the most important secret. It will not be perfect, and that is okay. Under pressure, you must accept that a completed, coherent essay is infinitely better than a brilliant but unfinished one. You will sacrifice some polish for completion. Your priority is simple: be complete, be coherent, and be credible. This exam isn't a test of perfection. It's a test of demonstrating what you know under strict constraints. Trust your preparation. Execute your plan with confidence. That's how you win.